In this question, you're asked to integrate sine power 6x plus cos power 6x by sine square x cos square x. So again, this expression is a very straightforward expression in your trigonometry. So you have simplified sine power 6x plus cos power 6x before. So sine power 6x can be written as sine square x whole cube, and cos power 6x is cos square x whole cube. So sine power 6x minus cos power 6x is sine square x whole cube minus cos square x whole cube. So I'll try to simplify this expression first. So this is equal to, now this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is, this is a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So that is equal to, so sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. This is also equal to 1. So effectively this whole numerator is exactly same as 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. So if I substitute this here, so this integration becomes 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. So that is equal to integration of 1 by sine square x cos square x minus, if I separate this, sine square x cos square x gets cancelled, is equal to 3 dx. So now this 3 dx is very easy to integrate. Next, as you can see, this 3 is very easy to integrate. The integration of 3 dx is 3x. So this is a term which you need to investigate. So here what I do in this question is, so this is equal integration of, to get this into a standard integration formula. So what I do is I'll write 1 as sine square x plus cos square x by sine square x cos square x dx minus 3x, right? Minus 3x. So I'll write an integration constant later. So this becomes integration of 1 by cos square x plus 1 by sine square x. That is integration of secant square x plus cosecant square x dx minus 3x plus c is the answer. And integration of secant square x is tan x, and integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x minus 3x plus c is the final answer to this question.